Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to replace a wheel in your car. This is an essential task to learn in case of a puncture or a blowout. Most cars come with simplified tools you can use for the job. Specialised tools are probably more practical, but you can use both. Firstly, get the car off the ground using a jack. Then use a jack stand as a more reliable way of picking the car up. Place the jack stand in between the two indents, then lower the car onto the jack stand, making sure it doesn't fall off. You can use hand tools, but I do suggest investing in an impact gun or a rattle gun to make the job quicker. Grab the correct size bit for your tool so you can undo the nuts. My wheels require an extra piece to the tool so you can reach the nuts. Remove the wheel, set it aside and lay it down so it doesn't roll away. While you're down here, check the brake disc to make sure there's not huge grooves in it. Now putting the wheel on is the exact same but in reverse. In a star pattern, hand tighten the nuts onto the thread. Then use a hand tool to tighten them up. With no resistance on the wheel, the nuts can't tighten up, so make sure you lower the car so there's resistance on the tyre. Coming from a first-hand experience, make sure your wheel nuts are tightened, because the last thing you want is the wheel falling off. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing or click the video on the right.